if I told you that the key to successful weight loss and healthy eating isn't just about the food you eat or the exercise you do? What if it's all in your mind? If you've been struggling with diets and fitness plans that just don't seem to stick, stay tuned, because today we're diving deep into the mindset needed for real lasting change. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about helping you live a healthier, happier life. Today, we're talking about something that's often overlooked but absolutely crucial: your mindset. Whether you're trying to lose weight, eat healthier, or just feel better about your choices, the way you think about food and your body can make or break your success. So why is mindset so important? Well, think about it. How many times have you started a new diet or workout plan, only to fall off the wagon a few weeks later? The problem isn't just with the plan, it's with how we approach it mentally. Thank you for your support. Together, we can create a world of relaxation and peace. Let me ask you, have you ever set a goal to eat healthier or lose weight, only to get frustrated and give up when you didn't see results right away? If so, you're not alone. Drop a comment below if you've been there, and let's talk about it. Today, we're going to explore how shifting your mindset can help you break out of that cycle and set you up for long-term success. First things first, let's talk about the difference between a fixed mindset and a growth mindset. A fixed mindset is when you believe your abilities, intelligence, and even your weight are set in stone. This can lead to a lot of self-sabotage. On the other hand, a growth mindset is when you believe that with effort, learning, and persistence, you can improve and achieve your goals. When it comes to weight loss and healthy eating, a growth mindset is key. Instead of focusing on the number on the scale, focus on the progress you're making, whether that's eating more vegetables, cutting back on sugar, or just feeling more energetic. Every small win is a step in the right direction. Another crucial aspect of mindset is mindful eating. This isn't just about what you eat, but how you eat. It's about paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness signals, enjoying your food, and not beating yourself up over every little slip-up. Studies show that people who practice mindful eating are more likely to maintain a healthy weight, have a better relationship with food, and enjoy their meals more. It's not about restriction, it's about awareness and balance. And here's something important: don't expect perfection. A lot of people think they need to follow their diet perfectly or exercise every single day to see results. But the truth is, life happens. What matters is how you respond to those setbacks. A growth mindset allows you to see mistakes as learning opportunities, not failures. If you miss a workout or have a day where you indulge a little too much, that's okay. What's important is that you get back on track and keep moving forward. One powerful tool for shifting your mindset is gratitude. Keeping a gratitude journal, where you jot down things you're thankful for each day, can help you stay positive and focused on your goals. It's all about celebrating the good things in your life, no matter how small. Research has shown that people who practice gratitude regularly are not only happier, but also more likely to achieve their health and wellness goals. So, how do you put all this into practice? Start by setting realistic goals and focusing on progress, not perfection. Practice mindful eating, listen to your body, and remember that it's okay to make mistakes. And most importantly, cultivate a growth mindset. Believe that you can change, and you will. Now, I want to hear from you. What mindset shifts have helped you on your journey to better health? Drop a comment below, and let's share our experiences. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and share it with someone who might need a little motivation today. Remember, this channel is here to support you on your path to a healthier life. If you haven't already, please donate to subscribe to fund the channel. Your support helps us continue bringing you valuable content each week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights on living your healthiest life. See you next time.